Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In this video, I will be answering all the questions that you had on the Portronics Ruffpad 15 inches. So let's get started. Question number 1. Does this have palm rejection technology? And the answer to that is yes, it does. In fact, it has a very good palm rejection technology over here. I'm not sure whether this is a piece of technology or just this piece of tech works. What I mean to say is, unless and until you have a pointed object such as the stylus or your fingernails or a ruler or whatever, unless this makes contact on the screen, there won't be any impressions registered on the screen. So even if I take my fingers and if I run it over, or if I take my palm, do like this or anything for that matter, there won't be any sort of impressions on the screen. Nothing is there, unless if I say that use my knuckles and do it like this, there will be some sort of an impression, but also this is very minute, as you can see over here. So it doesn't matter if I use my palm and draw circles, or when I'm drawing my usual things over here, there won't be any sort of impressions over here. See? So yeah, I think this clears all the doubts that you had on the palm rejection part of it. Okay, moving on. Question number 2. What is the battery life of this product? And let me just demonstrate to you the batteries that are used in this case. So this is the battery compartment over here, and I'll just remove this. There you go. So you have two batteries. So this is a CR2016 3-volt lithium ion batteries, right? And it has two of these. And even if you remove the batteries, this, I am still able to write on the screen, which proves that there is no battery consumption for writing on the screen. Battery is utilized only for the purpose of erasing. So now the batteries are out, and if I press the erase button, nothing happens, right? So by this logic, I would say that the battery is utilized only for erasing the screen, so the battery should last for a really long time. The company says about 2 years of battery performance, but since these batteries are pretty cheap, I will be happy even if I have to replace them after a period of 6 months or so. Okay, now since the battery is back on, I am able to erase the screen. Alright, moving on. Question number 3. How durable is this product? Well, I would say that it is pretty durable for the price that you are paying. Of course, it doesn't have metal frame or anything like that for 900 rupees that you are paying, but it doesn't look flimsy as well. And what I mean is that it is pretty solidly built. Nothing feels that it's going to fall apart, the key is going to fall off or anything like that. It is pretty good, I would say, and if it lasts me say 2 years, I think I will be very happy, because I just paid 900 rupees for it. So yeah, I would say it is really good for the price that we are paying for it. Question number 4. All right, so how bright is the screen? This is the question that I get asked a lot, actually, the screen brightness. And let me ask you this question. Are you using this for playing games or watching movies? No, because you simply can't do that with this. This is used just to scribble down something for your practice and to just write down any piece of information. That's about it. And when you're comparing it with writing something let's say, drawing on a piece of paper which is like this, I'm pretty sure it's quite similar. It is as clear as how it feels when you're writing something on a piece of paper. So it is, I would say it is, the things which you write here are clear, legible, and it is readable. So I don't think there is anything to complain about when it comes to the screen brightness as such. As you can see, I think it's pretty evident from the camera that it's pretty good. Although I would say that uh, it is slightly better in terms of contrast when you are looking at this in real life and through the camera. I think I'm pretty sure how this looks now. All right, so the next question, what was the number? I think 5, whatever. Anyway, so one more question that I had was whether the product needs a screen guard. Another, I want to ask you one question. What is the amount that you are paying for the tempered screen glass that you will use on your mobile phone? Well, for a 6-inch mobile phone, you're paying around 300 rupees, right? For a, let's say for a good quality one. And just imagine how much you need to pay for a 15-inch product. This as well as the price of the product itself. So do you really need a screen guard for this? Absolutely not. So no screen guard. And also what I would like to say is there is no glass over here. I would say this is just a flexible LCD panel that they have over here, and I don't think this will break either. So I can just, okay, not so much, but anyway, I don't think this is going to break over here. And a few days ago I dropped this on the floor and things are pretty good actually. Nothing broke, nothing came apart, the screen did not break. So I don't think a screen guard is needed. So yeah, I think so to just quickly recapture whatever I just said. Palm rejection, yes, good. And brightness, yes, pretty good. Battery, good. 2 years I would say. And what else? Screen guard, absolutely no. This is a big no. No means no. Build quality, good, I would say. If it lasts 2 years, I'm happy. Although, let's see, maybe in 2 years time they have a better product out there. So yeah, I think I've answered all your questions out there. And if you haven't seen the unboxing video first, go check that out and then you can come back and watch this video as well. Yeah, so I'm happy with this after using the product for a good 1 week right now. I've been using daily for practicing my line work, my circles, and I'm happy that I'm not wasting any pages around. This is a pretty good tool for artists as well. So yeah, I think that's it for this video. Thanks a lot for your support and do subscribe to my channel. Alright, so yeah, until next time, see you around. Have a nice weekend everyone. Bye bye.